SheaMoisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen, Grow and Restore Leave-In Conditioner is a reparative leave-in conditioner that softens and detangles hair. It nourishes, moisturizes and supports elasticity so hair resists breakage when detangling. It provides a protective layer that improves the appearance of split ends. Peppermint oil stimulates the scalp for an invigorating experience. Nourishes, the combination of certified organic raw shea butter, black castor oil and ingredients like peppermint revitalize and moisturize dry hair. Repairs, loaded with reparative omegas, Jamaican black castor oil nourishes dry and damaged hair. Smoothens, the blend of certified organic raw shea butter and black castor oil, smoothens your hair and restores its shine. Non-greasy, the rich leave-in conditioner hydrates hair and leaves it feeling soft, shiny and tangle-free. Moisturizes, the blend of certified organic raw shea butter, black castor oil and a thoughtfully infused mix of peppermint and keratin provide ample hydration to the hair. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.